A wedding gift can be remembered forever or offend forever. Wedding gift etiquette is a topic people rarely discuss openly, but it can make huge difference. Let's break it down: what to give, when to give it, and what to absolutely avoid. What to give? The most elegant choice is to follow the wedding registry if the couple has one. This shows respect to their preferences. If not, an envelope with money or a gift card to a good store is always appropriate. For close friends, you can add something personal, but only if it's thoughtful. When to give? Ideally at the wedding itself, but etiquette allows up to a year afterwards. Many guests choose to send the gift ahead of the time, so couple isn't overloaded on the big day. What to avoid? Overly personal gifts like clothes or perfume, hinting gifts such as book on how to build a marriage, or gifts that reflect the giver's interest with more than the couple's, like etiquette for a hobby only you enjoy. At the heart of the etiquette is respect and tact. A good gift is not about the price, it's about how clearly it says, "I value and your happiness." If you're preparing for your wedding and want every detail from gifts to the photo and video to be perfectly thought through, check the description under this video. There is a link to the book for a consultation and receive a special bonus from our team.